What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing Cluster Truck. Now, this used to be one of my favorite games back in the day, and I figured I would just play it for everybody today. I haven't done anything. Yeah, I can eventually buy these. I haven't played it on here. Campaign. Level 1. Maybe. Aha. Ooh. I feel like I'm moving so much faster than that. Oh, wow. That hurt me. That went by fast. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this game as much as I do. Just friends. Yeah. That didn't help. Wow. I'm pretty good at this. Wow! Bow! Oh shit, oh shit! Hopefully we can get good at this. Alright, so I need to, like, kind of stay in the back. I need to make sure I can get through all of this pretty good. And now we just ride into the sunset, everybody. We just ride on into the sunset. Not terrible. Alright. The hills is what messes things up on here. Messed up my ice. Speed bonus. I'm trying to just run through them. I don't have any friends. I thought I could do it once. Figured I could do it again. I hit the side of it. I should have just jumped. It's hard to figure out which direction you need to go. Now I'm not going fast enough to hit that one for some reason. I can't hit that either. That's weird. Oh, can I just ride this? Am I gonna be okay if I just ride this? Bro, I should just rode it. I feel like I'm freaking Spider-Man. I gotta hold my breath every level. It's like I don't know what's next. Complete. Oh, I thought I failed that because I hit with some debris. That was not bad. Not bad at all. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Whoa. You're the last truck. You're the first truck. No, that's the first truck. Dadgummit. It's not that bad. Nice. I'll take that. There's 10 levels on the first part. Oh. Well, they're coming the wrong way. Am I supposed to jump on the wrong way trucks? No, some of them get through. Which ones get through? Should I stay back here and wait? Let them take the brunt of the hit? I'm not sure. Alright, so it was this one. They got through last time. Let's give her a rip this time. Bro, I get lost. Wow. Wow, I didn't make it that time. Alright, you know what? I thought they were gonna make it. Oh, woosker doosker. Let's just see what happens. Yep. Yeah, that one wasn't gonna work. We're gonna have to just keep going. Oh, missed my mark. And we just smoothly. Wow. Now I'm just trying to go as fast as I can. I know it's not the answer. If I would have jumped, man, I would have had it. Oh, wow, that took a lot. Next level. Try to run this one as fast as I can. Oh, why? I was jumping. Jump. I guess because it's going up the hill, I don't jump high enough or something. Okay, so they all like pile up. Am I good here? I am good here. Oh, that'll work. I'll take it. And I hit a speed bonus. Alright, this one should be the last one of Act 1. Oh, almost had that one first try, guys. Wow. I'm going too fast? I'm not entirely sure. Bro, there's some on the outside and they're just safe over there. Outran everything. Alright. Every time I get to the last one, man, and it's just like right there. Wow, I got hit that time. Wow. And I made it. All right, that was great. 10 out of 10. All right, main menu. Let's see, campaign. Now I'm on World 2. Okay. So before we start World 2, I want to buy some abilities. So we have movement, which is double jump. That'd be kind of clutch. Air dash. Can't afford. I can't afford none of these, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna go grind, and I'm not gonna play World. Excuse me. I'm not gonna play World 2 yet. I'm gonna play through World 1 again and get as many points as I can. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, now that we're back, you've seen all my scores from the previous levels. You know I went back through and did better than the last time on most of them. So now I have enough to buy one from this side, and maybe one from this side. Yeah, alright, so we're going to buy the time slow. Alright. And I'm going to buy double jump, air dash. I think the double jump's going to help me make a speedier run. Alright, so make sure you leave a like and comment down on this video. And make sure while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. More than like 70-something% of my viewers are not subscribed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And turn the post notifications on if you'd like to see more videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.